Hey guys, it's Kenneth here with Repairs for Oats. Got a cool little ratcheting wrench tool haul today. These are the dual ratcheting wrenches from Craftsman. They are new old stock, and I was able to pick up a couple today. I already had this one. It was brand new whenever I got it a couple months ago. It did have its tag on, so I'm the first one to use it. They no longer make these, unfortunately. And the thing that makes them special is they have this little piece that allows them to ratchet on the front. All of these total, excluding this one, so I'll set that off there to the side. But I picked all these up today. I wanted to get a set made, and I don't have the 7/16 one yet, and they didn't have a 3/4. But they had a 19, which is basically the same thing. So I've got from 1/2 inch to essentially 3/4, and I've got a 3/8. So yeah, I really like these. I picked these up in a set of old proto wrenches that I bought a couple months ago. And I fell in love with it. It's pretty sweet. You can't use it on tight stuff because obviously that little piece inside there will break. I'm not sure if it's made out of metal or if it's made out of plastic. I'm on focus. It might be made out of plastic. Somebody will be able to tell me. But anyways, it's pretty sweet. And the way they work, you have to follow that little arrow. This is the 19. So, oops. If you watch, yeah, it just works just like that. And these appear to be in excellent condition. I don't know where they bought them from, but they are very nice. Lifetime warranty. Yeah. Made in China. Sears Roebuck, so it's got some age to it. But so this is what I'm currently using as ratcheting wrenches. I've got my Capri flex head. Absolutely love it. It's 100 tooth. These Craftsman, I believe, are 72 teeth. Doesn't actually say. They are very light. Very little back drag. And then my other ratcheting wrench would be Carlisle. I've got it set up to 3/4. Same with my Capris. And, well, that's the wrong way. Also very little back drag. A little bit more though than the Craftsman. I actually have to use 2 fingers. The other one I was just able to rotate with my thumb. Let's see what we can do with the Capri. Oh. Well. Yeah, very little back drag. Oh. Well. Appears. Oh, well, I was going the wrong way. Yeah. So the Craftsman, believe it or not, has the lightest back drag of any of them. I don't know if you can hear that. But yeah, very nice. Very nice set. I don't plan on keeping these in this condition. These are going to go to work for me, and they are going to make me money. So yeah, let's go ahead. For those of you that are going to be crying by watching me take these labels off and stuff, close your eyes right now. Well, I can't do this one-handed hardly. There we go. Yeah, so just like that. Here we go. Oh, come on, let's focus. There we go. Beautiful. So, I am very happy with these. These seem to be very nice looking wrenches. Yeah. Maybe we'll just demo the 9/16 wrench yet. I've got a bolt set up. With a lock nut. Let's see if I can do it. Cheap little Harbor Freight vise. But there's enough play in the vise that I can stick this thing in. Come on. Wiggle down in there. Sorry, people. You're going to just have to bear with me. There we go. It's a little 3-inch vise. This tail's built out of an old Harbor Freight 4-drawer cart. And I took the top cabinet off and set it on top of my 44-inch. So there we go. Let's run down by hand. Grab the 9/16 and we'll tighten a couple. Oh. Much easier to do if you'd have another hand to stay there and guide the head. But yeah, no problem whatsoever. The tolerances I've noticed, you can tell it's a Chinese wrench. You can tell these were the Chinese Craftsman, because the tolerances are not that good. Let's see how the ratcheting end is. Oh wow, that's nice. Let's grab the Carlisle. The Craftsman's ratcheting mechanism actually feels a lot nicer. Oh. And which these have been used some. Oh, let's see. This is the amount of play. I believe these are 90 teeth in the Carlisles. And let's see what this thing. So consider a bit more arc, but that's such light back drag. Yeah, I can quickly see these becoming my favorite. Yeah, and like I said, I'm just going to use these as I would any other ratcheting wrench. And I'm going to take benefit of these open ends because a lot of airlines on these trucks can take a long time to unthread, so that's what the open end's for. Whether I break them loose with a regular wrench and then use this, I don't know. We'll have to see. And if they break, I'll give you an update. Yeah, if you want to see these wrenches in use, you can follow me on my Instagram. It's repairs for oats. It's, if you go to search it, it's repairs_for_oats, and that's all lowercase. But yeah, go ahead, like the video, give comments, tell me what you think of these. Tell me if you've had them, what kind of luck you've had with them. And for all of these wrenches, excluding the 1/2 inch, I paid 23 bucks. So I think I got a pretty good deal on them. Yeah, let me know what you think.